Welcome to eSafeDoc. From your first login, you must acknowledge our zero-knowledge architecture. This sets the stage for a highly secure digital sanctuary. Once inside, the interface is designed for user comfort, offering three distinct visual themes that can be changed at any time to suit your institution's convenience. Notice our idle timeout is 30 minutes. This maintains system discipline but can be easily reduced to fit your specific operational policies. Before we build a new asset, let's look at how effortlessly we retrieve them. We'll have multiple highly specific search criteria available, but let's just filter by document year. We simply enter the year. Scroll down to enter our security capture. And hit search to instantly pull up all the wrappers created in that specific cycle. This is the destination, a fully completed sovereign document wrapper. This is the document date, the ID, the volume, the writer ID, the document type, the sensitivity, the department, the designation, the location and the upload type. Now, let's initiate your journey by creating a new document wrapper. We simply enter the basic data, like document date, type, title, sensitivity, specific keyword to search, member ID. Remember, this is not just a file, it's the birth of a secure, sovereign vault for your data. Every field is purposefully designed to categorize and protect. This architecture seamlessly protects your legacy archives while securing your latest digital assets. Notice that every major action requires human-in-the-loop verification via capture. However, eSafeDoc is fully adaptable. Administrators have the facility to disable this capture requirement entirely to streamline high-speed internal workflows, depending on the institution's convenience. After creating the wrapper, the status will be in the inactive state. The LNO in the wrapper structure indicates that the location is not defined. To track the physical files, it is advisable to define the physical location. Now you can see that the status is in active state. And in the wrapper structure, the location is also defined. This is the update component. That is going to help you to change any parameters of your document. Once created, we implement granular, need-to-know, security. We can easily tag specific access groups to the wrapper. If you're creating document confidential, the confidential access group will be automatically tagged because that is predefined set of people associated with the confidential team. You can also tag other access groups according to your organization's convenience. You can also easily tag the individual recipients to define exactly who interacts with the vault. This provides you with absolute control, ensuring your data is accessed only by the right hands. eSafeDoc bridges the gap between digital and physical. To track the movement of a paper document, we use our Live Allocate feature. It's incredibly simple. Just input the team member's ID and the date. We can also track the document. This immediately creates a full chain of custody, so you see exactly where it has been and who has held it. You also get an option to release the physical document. You simply have to put the release date and the document will be released. You can then securely deploy your files to the cloud using our client-side encryption. You can upload the document. When you upload the document, you'll also see the preview of the document, so that you know what you are uploading. You can encrypt the document with the key. You will only hold the keys, we never see your data. When a document is ready, a safe doc allows you to notify designated users instantly, without ever attaching the file to an email. The notification simply alerts them to log into the Sovereign Vault to take action. Your data never leaves its hardened environment, eliminating attachment risks entirely. You can download the file. If it is encrypted, you must need the encryption key to decrypt the file. Without that, you cannot download the file. You can preview the document before downloading. Here you can also download the barcode. Barcode generation is only for the physical file, you cannot generate it with the digital documents. We simply print and attach it to the physical folder. This leads to physical-digital synchronicity. You can also add additional volume in your wrapper. As your data grows, a safe doc scales with it. Additional volume feature lets you stack related wrappers into a unified set, fulfilling our generation-to-generation data philosophy. Here you can see the volume 2 in the wrapper structure. Access the comprehensive audit trail to see the complete forensic history of your document wrapper. Every action, every second. Transparency is permanent, but for administrators, you can also securely purge aged audit records according to your institutional control settings. Under active sessions, administrators maintain complete oversight. If required, an admin has the authority to forcefully log out a specific individual, or securely log out all active members simultaneously. From this exact screen, you can also trigger a secure email broadcast, either to one person or to the entire group at once. To execute this, the admin simply selects the required email consent, chooses a subject, and enters the broadcast declaration. Finally, looking at the top right of our newly streamlined interface, you will find our secure exit icons. Administrators have the power to execute a standard logout. Or, in the event of a severe threat, use the shutdown icon to instantly freeze the entire sanctuary. The ASFEDOC official portal is architecturally hardened through our innovative, BURI, NDIG technology to achieve discipline, security, and respect across generations. Built on a globally accessible PPP model, ensuring your sovereign data remains yours forever.